Okay, let's look at homework 5.1, 5.2, number 12. Right, so we want to find a solution set for this system of inequalities, linear inequalities. Right, so let's do that. All right, first, inequalities are too hard, so I'm going to just turn into equalities. Right, so it's going to be negative 2x plus y is equal to, right, negative 6. Right, for this borderline, I'm going to just do x-intercept and y-intercept. Right, so x-intercept. All right, again, we're going to set y equal to 0. Right, which means that so y is 0, so second term is 0. So you have a negative 2x is equal to negative 6. Right? So I'm going to divide through by negative 2. So divide through by negative 2. Right? So you will get x equals, right, negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3. So we have that. Right? Then we want to find the y-intercept. So y-intercept. Right? We're going to set x equal to 0. Right? This implies, right, so the first term is 0 since x is 0. So you get y equals negative 6. Right? So y-intercept is, right, negative 6. Right? So let's sketch that borderline first. So I'm going to just do, here is the x-axis. Right? Here is the y-axis. So I'm going to just, oops. I'm going to go straight down. So y-axis. Right? Alright, so x-intercept is 3, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, right here. Alright, then y-intercept is negative 6, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's negative 6 right there. Right, so we have to go through those 2 points, and I try my best to go through those 2 points. So it's going to be a straight line through those intercepts. Right, so that will be our first borderline. All right, it's 1. All right, the second 2. Second borderline is going to be, so turn that into equality. So x equals 3. All right, this is going to be a vertical line. So this is just since x equals a constant, would be a vertical line. Right, so this is fairly easy to sketch. You're going to have here, so it's x equals 3. So it's going to be a vertical line through x equals 3, so here. Right, so that's our borderline. Right, then we have to think about which section to shade. Right, so let's look at the first one. First inequality. All right, so this is the borderline, and we're gonna try 0, 0. Right, does 0, 0 satisfy 0, 0 satisfy this first inequality? Right, so you have negative 2. So at 0, 0, right, just negative 2, plug in 0, plus y is 0, which is again obviously 0, right? Is 0 greater than or equal to -6, right? So it is. So 0, 0 satisfy the first inequality, right? Which means that we need to shade the half plane which contains 0, 0. So this is the borderline. So we need to shade this side of the half plane. Right, this side, half plane that on that side. All right, and we can do the same thing. Does 0, 0 satisfy the second inequality? So this is the second one. All right, so in this case, x is 0. Right, is 0 less than or equal to 3? Right, actually, this one satisfies too. So we need to pick the side which contains 0, 0, which is the left half plane. All right, so we need to shade this section right here. All right, so let's see, we have that choice. All right, so this is a wrong section. This seems like a right section, but you can see that a vertical line is at the wrong place, so that's not going to be it. All right, so it looks like this is promising and this is the wrong section, so it's got to be C. All right, let's check the answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.